Hello guys and gals. Today I'm going to be installing this hitch on my wife's 2017 Chevy Equinox. First we remove the bumper hitch cover. The kit comes with a fishing wire. We're going to run it through this hole here, all the way to the end of the frame. And on the end of that fishing wire, we can actually screw the bolt onto it, so it holds onto the bolt. Don't forget to put the metal plate on the bolt before you fish it in there. And then we just simply pull it through. And it should come right out. There you go. And now we just remove the fishing wire from the bolt. Same thing with the other side. Run the fishing wire through. Screw the bolt on with the metal plate. Put it into the frame and slide it back out. Alright, once you get those two bolts in, you can get the receiver. Get it lined up with those two bolts. And then place both nuts on those bolts to hold the receiver in place. Do not tighten them down at this point. Now you can go ahead and put the two bolts on each end of the receiver frame. The nuts are already inside the frame of the vehicle. And then once that's all done, tighten all the bolts and nuts down, and then torque them to 110 foot-pounds. This is the hard part. Very difficult to get that up to 110 foot-pounds. And that's it. The receiver is now in place. That's all there is to it. Now we're going to run the wiring harness for the lights. Remove the left and right rear light housings. We're going to run that wiring harness up through the bumper and into the housing area. And this is going to be pretty much plug and play if you get the right harness. You have two connectors on this harness. You disconnect the main connector for the lights, and then you install your harness. One goes to the lights, one goes to the connector for the vehicle. And then you do the same thing on the other side. On the left side, it's going to be the yellow wire. On the right side, it's going to be the green wires. One thing I'm not showing you here is on the right side, there is a ground wire. You either have to find a ground or drill a hole, and it does come with a screw for that. Once your lights are all back in place and stuff, now it's just time to wire tie the harness in place. What I did is I wire tied it right to the hitch, and then I wire tied it on the bumper. Last thing that I'm doing here is checking the connector to make sure the brake lights and turn signals work. There you go. All right. Put the cover on the connector, and then I just stick it up behind the bumper so it's out of the way and it doesn't get caught up on anything. So I hope this information was helpful if you're trying to install a hitch on your Chevy Equinox. It really is pretty simple. You all have a great day. I appreciate you being here with me. God bless. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share the videos on your favorite social media sites. Thank you.